First, choose Custom Size. Take a 1080 by 1080 pixels canvas. Add your product image. Remove its background. Go to Elements. Search for an oval frame. Go to the Frame section. Add an oval frame, adjust its size. Duplicate and add the product image. Adjust the image. Now overlap it on the product image. Duplicate the product image. Crop out the first one. Duplicate the frame and adjust its image. Overlap it in the same way. Duplicate the frame and repeat the same process. Duplicate the product image again. Crop the first one again. In this way, we will make different cuts of our product can. Now, adjust their position. Duplicate the first frame. Go to Elements and search for Cherry. Go to the Photos section. Add an image. Add it to the frame. Adjust its size and position. Duplicate and place it in another part. Adjust all parts positions. Select the background. Choose a gradient background. Now, change its color to match the background. Go to Elements. Search for Juice Splash. Go to Graphics. Add a splash element. Adjust its size and position. Duplicate and add it to another part. Now, search for water droplets. Add water droplets. Place them in different positions. Search for water splash. Add a splash element. Click on Edit, then do a tone. Click on Custom. Change the highlights color to white. Now place it in different positions. Add more splashes. Change their colors also. Adjust their positions. Send them to the back. Now, search for cherry. Go to the Photos section. Add a cherry PNG. Crop and adjust its size and position. Duplicate and add more. Add some water splashes on it. Add a cherry PNG again. Go to Edit. Then Magic Grab. Choose Brush. Now, brush over the area you want to grab. Click on Grab. Canva will automatically crop out the part. Adjust its size and position. Add more cherry images. Use the same method to crop out parts. Place them in different positions. Now add a cherry image. Click on Edit, then go to Magic Eraser. Now we will erase all parts to crop out the cherry leaf. Select the leaf, click on Edit, then Filters. Choose the Astro Filter effect. Adjust its size and position. Duplicate and add it to another position. Now, we will add some cherries to different positions. Add some leaves. Select this cherry. Click on Edit Image, then Blur. Set the intensity to 30. Reduce transparency to 50. Now, copy this style and paste it onto other cherries. Paste this style onto the leaf. Set transparency to 90. Similarly, copy this style and paste it onto the leaves. Now, search for a cherry background. Add a photo. Remove its background. Expand it to the canvas. Click on Edit, then Blur. Set the intensity to 15. Reduce its transparency to 30. Go to Position, then send it to the back. Go to Elements. Search for a white circle shadow. Go to the Graphics section. Add a white shadow. Adjust its position and size. Go to Position and send it to the back. Click on Edit, then Duotone. Select the lavender effect. Go to Elements. Search for a black gradient shade. Go to the Graphics section. Add an element. Flip it vertically. Place it at the bottom of the canvas. Go to Position and send it to the back. Our design is ready. Let's zoom in. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.